morning. My name is Vivek Moda and welcome to my YouTube channel Vivi's Tech World. Today I am going to show you an interesting product that I have used for 15 years, HP DV5 laptop. I am going to show you the configuration and the condition of the laptop after using it for 15 years. I'll show you after using it for 15 years the product is still working. What are the problems that I face and what were the pros and the cons. I'll show you about it. So this is it. This is the HP DV5 laptop which I was talking about. You can see the condition of the laptop. You can see the wear and tear after using it for 15 years. I'll show you the ports that were available. Computer, if you carry the laptop with one hand, your hand will start to get pain. This was the laptop. I'd used it for 15 years and still working. This is the front side where you can connect different audio cables. Jacks cables are given here. Different lighting available here. This is the back side of the laptop. You can see that this is the configuration, HP DV5, model number, warranty. Fine, here is the battery's place. I'm saying that the battery, I have replaced the battery 2 to 3 times. Currently the laptop only works by charging because this battery has also gone defective. So I would need to buy one new battery again. This is a laptop. You can see that this key is a bit worn out, okay, but still working. See the condition here. See there's scratches on the trackpad. This was a button to start this or stop this, and here you can just slide up and down. Fine. And you can see that in 2010 they had given a fingerprint scanner for it. This was Intel Centrino 2 inside, Windows Vista and NVIDIA Pure Video HD graphics. You can see these keys are working still fine, very smooth. This key is coming out again and again. So this screen is a black color one. My laptop is around brown color with designs. So what happened is that the hinges, this was the hinges here and here got broken down, and the screen also got broken down. I went to the HP service center, but the laptop was very old, so they said they don't have any replacement for this one. Then I got this screen fixed outside from a different supplier, from a normal shop. So they told me that they don't have the matching screen for this, so I got this black one fixed. It is working fine. So they had given some quick play buttons here, okay, which eliminates when you start the laptop. These are the speakers that they have given here. Fine. So I'm just starting my laptop. You can see it's making different sounds. So the laptop has started. It came with Windows Vista, but as there was lots of issue with Windows Vista, I got Windows 7 installed. Currently the battery is not working, so I have to use it just as a normal PC, normal charging PC. I cannot use the laptop without a power cable. It needs to be connected. The laptop is very heavy, if you carry this laptop on your backpack for a whole day, your shoulders will start to get pain. So I was talking about these lights. You can see that they are given quick play lights. You can mute, you can increase the volume, decrease the volume, you can play, fast forward, stop, and this switch that they are given is for Wi-Fi. You can connect the Wi-Fi, start or stop the Wi-Fi, and there is quick play button. This is a power button. You can see Windows 7 here. The laptop is still working after 15 years. I just need to buy one battery for this one. Okay, so I can use it outside. uh, you can see the condition of the laptop. They had also given one webcam here, and here there is HP DV5 badging. See, this is the configuration of the laptop. It has 4 GB of RAM, 32-bit of operating system. The processor was Intel Core 2 Duo CPU T9400 at 2.53 GHz speed. The speed was very good, but due to high speed, the battery life was very less. The battery used to work around 1.5 hours only, so that was one big drawback. So I was talking about this light. So see, it has stopped working because I've just offed it. If you just click on, and again it will start working. So that is the feature that given. This was the fingerprint, and you can see this was the speakers quality. I would like to thank HP, for the laptops, because you can see that after 15 years the laptop is still working, so they are making good products. After using this laptop for so much time, I have bought a second HP laptop, that is HP NV series. In the future we'll make a video about it also. My mobile phone OnePlus 11 has more configuration than this laptop, but when I bought it in the year 2010, it had cost around 500 rials. So we were in Oman that time. I was studying there. I bought it this around I was in 10th standard, and that time if you convert it, I had got it for 75,000 rupees. So that is a bit heavy price that I paid for the laptop, but it was worth it. And I had used this so much for my school, college project, and I've done lots of editing in this laptop. If you see that there is illuminate light here also from HP when you start the laptop. The charger that they had given is this charger, that is round pin. I think they had given 2 to 3 chargers with it, and that time they used to give 2 to 3 different chargers based on pin. So this is a charger that they had given. It was a 2 pin. They had given 3 pin. They had given one American socket pin also. The charger was very long. That time they used to give lots of accessories with the laptop. I had bought this from HP's authorized store in Muscat. The laptop is starting and it's making too much noise. You can hear the noise from here also. This is a side look of the laptop. You can see that in 2010 used to look very nice laptop. Many of my friends said it's a very good laptop, and you can see that condition is still good, just wear and tear, and that is going to happen with every electronics that you buy. See, if you really take care of the electronics products that you have, they will surely last. So I missed to say one thing. The laptop also supports Bluetooth device, so you can easily connect your Bluetooth with it. So that time this laptop had top features, and right now after 15 years it has become irrelevant. That is the thing with electronics. As time goes, it becomes irrelevant. It becomes because in electronics world daily new things are coming up, new products are coming up. But I would suggest that if you are going to buy a laptop, go for a good one, go with good features, good pricing, and good features that will last long. If you're paying money, pay for a good product, and that product will surely last. I would recommend HP as a laptop to other people. They can also buy HP laptops. This is not a sponsored video. I'm just sharing my experience with you all. At time they used to give lots of different ports and connectors here, which they don't give right now. You can see they had given one small remote here where you can, it's useful for presentation. Here they had given micro USB card slots. Okay, you can keep it and you can directly access it. There is eSATA cable, USB cable, HDMI cable, connectors, and there's connectors for connecting your desktop to the laptop. That time Blu-ray disc was in the prime stage, so they had given Blu-ray disc also. Here there are two USB connectors. Here is the charging cable. Here also they have given one more for LAN connection. So if you click on this one, it will open. See, if I'll just show you that one. See, they had given a Blu-ray here. Okay, this is the Blu-ray one. So you can Blu-ray disc will support, and you can also write Blu-ray disc using this one. In the new laptops, this discs are not coming at all because they have become really irrelevant. Only USB is coming. You can see the laptop is making noise. So you cannot use this laptop for any heavy tasks like editing or playing games and all that. So for normal presentation or a normal Word or desktop, you can use this laptop. So that's it I would like to say about this laptop. Do provide your comments like how you felt about this laptop, and if you have any such products we have been using for so many years, so just share it with me, provide your experience with me. That's it for today. If you're new to my channel, do subscribe it. Do provide your valuable feedback in the comment section. Do follow our page on Instagram and Facebook. If you found this video interesting, do share it with your friends and family members. Thank you. Bye bye.